Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 9 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is a wild animal. I've got this baby orangutan, a tree with blossoms. I've got this beautiful with the dogwood and the red bud. I'm about ready to see some of those. Part of a recipe you enjoy making. I've got this fresh fruit crisp, and I like any kind of fruity type desserts, cobblers and such like that, so I picked this. A book page, I've got this. Something you get in the mail, that came in the mail, I've got the birthday card, and our bonus is a date or anything from a calendar, so I've got this. So without further ado, let's get started. I hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing pretty good. I can't complain. I think I'm going to cut that out, kind of go around it just a little bit to get rid of the birthday. We've had some beautiful weather. It feels like springtime. It's supposed to be in the 70s and 80s Fahrenheit this week. I like that. Let's see. I may want some of that. Just to make it pretty, who knows. And we have been enjoying this weather. Grilled yesterday. That was nice. And I've got enough leftovers for today. So, I'm a little late doing this one. It'll still hopefully come out on today, which is Sunday, but I usually have it ready and scheduled. But I fell behind. Grilling takes a lot of time, and I overslept. So, okay. Let's see what we're going to do here. How am I going to do this? I don't think I need all of that. So, let me see. I have been reading that Susan Russo Anderson book, and it's been good. This. Get all my pieces. I am flying by the seat of my pants because I don't have a clue as to what I'm doing. See, I like that. Something along those lines. I like that. Make it easy. Okay. Tack down these elements so I don't know if you can hear my cat snoring. But I've been watching The Killing, and it's been real good. It's a dark, gritty police show, but it is really good. Down and get this down, and then I can put it all together from the back. My glue doesn't want to come out. Now, yesterday I grilled burgers and brats and sausage and some hot dogs, so we're set for the next couple of days. We do that a lot on the weekends. My husband and sons love grill day. I like it too. Believe it or not, when I first got married, my husband wouldn't eat grilled food. He didn't like it. Now he loves it. Mama always said that your taste buds change every 7 years. And I don't know about every 7 years, but there's things that I used to couldn't stand that I love now. And bell pepper's one of them. When I was a kid, I wouldn't even know it was in there. And like the school, when they would do dressing for the holidays, they put bell pepper in theirs, and I could taste it. I'd know it was in there, and I couldn't stand it. I didn't know what it was until Mom told me what it was, but now I love it. It's funny how things like that. I used to not care for greens, but I like them now. When I was pregnant with my youngest, I was craving greens, and I pretty much liked them ever since. Isn't that funny? Well, this is going to be a simple one. It's gotten where they all are. I miss my pretty ladies, but I do love using book images. And they can't all be the same, can they? I love that face. He makes me happy. I like a collage. It makes you smile. It makes you happy. And we'll have to get back to doing some surreal. Okay. Now, I'm going to put my butterfly there. There we go. I like that. It was a lot of wordy things. I'm never real keen on, I like, background, book page and stuff like that. But when most of the prompts are written things, it makes it hard sometimes. Okay, give my splatters. And I think we'll be set. Let me do a little bit of black, not much. All right. Well, let's see. We've got our wild animal, our tree with blossoms. Got a few trees there. Part of a recipe you enjoy making. I've got a fruit crisp, book page, something that came in the mail. I've got my birthday card, and a date or anything from a calendar. And I've got that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2024CW9 to see what everyone else has made this week. Y'all take care. I love you. Bye, y'all.